And there's a renewed push for a statewide cell phone ban in Maryland schools as new findings show pilot programs have improved student performance. Well, several school systems in Maryland have already implemented some sort of cell phone restrictions during school hours.
Fox 45's Jessica Babb looks into where some of the local efforts stand.
Some school systems say their policies limiting cell phones in classrooms are showing positive results, and there's calls to implement those types of policies all across the state. And while several bills have been proposed this legislative session, right now it's not clear if there's actually enough support to pass them. As cell phone policies sprout up at more and more schools, everywhere from Howard County.
I think it's fantastic.
To Baltimore City.
And having access to a cell phone can provide a crucial lifeline for students and their families.
While the community reaction is mixed.
I actually agree with it because it's a disruption in the classroom. These children nowadays, they're obsessed with the telephones.
Research from Baltimore City schools and their pilot program to limit student cell phone use show the policies are working. For instance, of the schools participating, they say 80% of school leaders say student behavior improved. 72% of leaders say they noted a decrease in office referrals and bullying and say student engagement was up. 60% reported that academic outcomes were improving. While the school system reported many teachers were in favor of limiting the screens, some students weren't as excited. Even so, one student responded by saying they don't like it, but their grades have gone up. And while other school systems like Anne Arundel, Carroll County, and Baltimore County schools all have policies limiting cell phones during the school day, BCPS Superintendent Miriam Rogers has said,
"The research is clear on cell phone use for students in schools having a profound impact on their mental health and well-being."
And while locally, school systems across Maryland are taking action, revising their policies, there's no statewide ban.
Cell phone usage in our schools has become a concern across Maryland.
At the same time, other states are aggressively cracking down. Florida was the first state to crack down and pass a law requiring public schools to ban cell phone use during class time. Other states like California, Indiana, Virginia, Louisiana, Minnesota, Ohio, and South Carolina have passed similar policies. And while there are multiple bills before state lawmakers this session,
This bill, it simply requires that local Board of Educations to adopt a policy prohibiting the students from using a cell phone during school hours.
so far, none of those bills have even left committee.
However, what we also must recognize is that a complete cell phone ban would not be ideal.
Just having a policy may not cure the problem.
Since we've already hit the midway point this session, it's possible these bills may not end up going anywhere. In Baltimore, Jessica Babb, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.